You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or smaller than 15/4 equal or smaller than 33/4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 3x from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 5/8 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/5. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or smaller than 15/4 equal or smaller than 33/4.